Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Broadcom is a Fortune 500 company within the semiconductors industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 15.7%. Earnings growth, 40%. Earnings estimates, 14.74%. Return on capital, 11.62%. Debt to free cash flow, 3.29 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.84%. Payout ratio, 51.71%. Growth rate, 42.68%. Growth years, 10 years. That gives Broadcom 9 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at Broadcom for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Broadcom is modestly overvalued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.